All right, gang, I want to give you a little bit of feedback today. It's on a little bit different of an item. It is actually the Bamodi toilet brush and their holder. Pretty straightforward, beautiful, simple design, all stainless steel, so nothing sticks to it. It's got this lid at the top that holds the brush in, but it also acts as a little bit of a splash guard while you're using it. A nice bristled head here to be able to get in and out of any surfaces, and a beautiful little canister to hold it all in. We actually picked this up to put in my teenage son's bathroom. He's got to learn to kind of clean up after himself, if you know what I mean. But one of the things I absolutely love about this and why we picked this out is comes with not one, but two backup brushes. So as one wears out, as one gets dirty, you can simply switch them out. Listen, if you're looking for a toilet brush for your bathroom, looking for something simple, I think this is the way to go. Check it out. It's by Bamodi.